will move in the opposite direction. So on the right hand will be coming inside, the left hand will be outside. So it will be, look, this is the right hand going inside, the left hand going outside. So, what are you doing here? You're going back to your circle, but this time we're going to do the roller coaster. So and then the first cue music that you will